It all started when I wanted to bring traditional Filipino cuisine infused with French and Italian cooking techniques. The inspiration for the place is a mixture of both 1940s and 1950s and 1980s diner-esque type of setting.
Running through the pain, it's never easy, but the fight leads to brighter days. Every scar is proof that we've got nothing to lose. We've got gasoline in our veins, time to light the fuse. Turn the lights out, show the world what we're made of. We're stars in the night sky, shining on with our bright eyes. Turn the lights out, show the world what we're made of. We're stars in the night sky, shining on with our bright eyes.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. He alone we worship, and He alone we ask for help.
We opened this day because it was a coincidence. Nagkataon na it was also my birthday as well. Well, it's actually a mixture of Indonesian, Japanese, and local Filipino cuisine. Like beef rendang, you got Bicol Express, you got like torikatsu, those kinds of food.
First of all, it's an honor to be invited to this opening ceremony. It feels like I'm with family. Events like this are rare, especially during this time of pandemic. Worried that business might not look good because of this crisis right now. But I'm glad there are brave people like Mabani family who decided to invest, who decided to put up their business and give our city a new opportunity for business and entertainment. Let us not allow this pandemic to stop us from enjoying food, which is an important part of our culture as Filipinos in Philippines.
If you guys want comfort food from different regions all over the world, come by and drop by at Big Papa's Diner. So there's something for everyone here.